Tuicokethia kuya kauntini ya Makueni na mwakuli oyulu wa nzama ya uandikani ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni nimokililwe ni ma MCA nthini wa kikalo kimwe chumwaniki kula amemba ma mbunge no meweta kanave na mwakuli oyulu wa andu ala methitwe mayandikwa nthini wa ward si kivathukan'yo ta water officer na water development officers na beangetu inengelelwe niwe Caleb Chalo.
Some of them resumed, others disappeared. Like the one from Makindu, Leonard Musyoka Daudi.
From where I sit, employment can never be collective.
Ni amemba mambunge ya kaunti ya Makueni na valanthini wa sikalo cia chumwaniki maendeee na kumilia mukulio maito nzama ya uandikani ya Makueni kana Makueni County Public Service Board. Ma MCA maketeta kana nthini wa serikali muvituku wa gavana Olo na umia Profesa Kivathukan'yo evinda ila maovisa ma ward ma maendeeo kana ward development officers vamwe na maovisa ma kiw'u kana ward water officers maandikiwe aingi kuvituka namba cia ward ila cia Makueni na ward 30 maovisa ma maendeeo kana ward development officers maandikiwe 30 na ili undu ula meweta kana ni uvitukanu na miao
Development officers and ward water officers. Mr. Speaker, if you look at that response, is that they employed 32 ward development officers. We have 30 wards, and then 2 were said to be at the headquarters, Mr. Speaker. It means logic. Which ward were they representing as ward? Because if you are a ward officer, you are supposed to be in the ward. So being in the headquarters, unless they wanted to say that member for Watensi ward, Mr. Speaker, is a big ward.
Amemba ni mumbula kana twangio sakwani wangile miongole na ile amuma avukumi ni mavindu yo contract na kuandikwa kwa kutoa kana permanent indi nthini weseso ya kumanenga contract meweta kana vausitwe ni chendi kila cha uthothewe ni maundu ma kiuteti.
From where I sit, employment can never be collective. You cannot say because we were employed 20 of us as contract when the time if we have to be confirmed, all of us should be confirmed. Everyone has a file, a separate file, and everyone has a separate.
How could the COVID affected their terms of service? And then they are saying at one time their contracts were all terminated after 3 years. Were they paid their gratuity? I've not seen it mentioned. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, we need to interrogate further.
MCA Molote Elizabeth Muthike yakienda nzama inu ikunikilwe na maundu wa kuthianwa na kulungwa kwitene.
What the request of the statement said is provide a report of all promotions as at 2021. Honorable Speaker, is the circular a report? Are there advertisements in that circular? Honorable Speaker, we don't need a board that casually thinks that we can be taken for granted in this county.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, vilindwa maovo kumavamya koni ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni.